Let's take a look at the Litter Robot 3 Connect Smart Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Tray. If your cat likes a bit of luxury, a litter tray like this will make them feel like royalty. The smart litter tray automatically sifts out waste every time your cat uses it, so you don't have to get down on your hands and knees and get your hands dirty. The waste is then stored in a tightly sealed drawer, and the carbon filter inside will stop any smells from leaving and filling your house. If you're a multi-cat household, up to 4 cats can use it, so you won't need lots of litter trays around the house. You can get some extra features when you link it to the Whisker app. This lets you keep an eye on waste levels so you know when it needs emptying, and you can track your cat's habits so you'll know if there are any issues. It's really easy for your cat to use it too, as it has weight activated sensors that will stop any cleaning cycle if they enter mid-clean. And there's an automatic night light, perfect for older cats who might need some guidance in the middle of the night.